Omukoro gw'okusiima gwaba hari kyamugorani Church of Uganda kandi gwayebemberwa Reverend Sarah Abareba omuriisa w'oburiisa bwa kyamugorani Church of Uganda.
Omushaho ashemereire kuba arimu amasiko. Omushaho naateekwa kuba naakuheereza amasiko. Mbwenu washanga omushaho warikwenda kuteera omunwa hansi natutandika kwebuuza tunakunda kureebera ebyo konka waayo omushaho arigye arikusi ashemereirwe noomanya kwogwena yashobora omubwire warukukwataho weena naateekwa kukira
naasi mulungi naasi omucureezi naasi mulungi naasi otulegufu naasi mulungi naasi okukunda abagwire naasi mulungi naasi okubeera abagwire.
Priva Ayesiga, principal wa Evelyn Health Training Institute yasiima beegi ahabw'okutamu amaani okutunguura omutindo gw'abazaarisa omu ihanga.
I want to urge you to continue with your studies even when you get out there. I want to tell you that at one point most of these people here, most of us were also seated, being dedicated, giving thanks to the Lord for the 2.5 years back then, maybe many years back, okay? We passed through this level, we closed, we succeeded, we became resilient.
We can achieve greatness. As we move forward, let us carry with us the following values. 1, curiosity. Curiosity means the desire to learn and know something. We should always have that for us to go into heights of what? Academics.
Major General Paul Muhanguzi, omuduumizi w'amahega enkambi ya kabiri owahika aha mukoro ogu yashaba eminyeeto okumanya omugasho gw'ebyokwerinda na munonga omuntu nguuka y'ihanga.
Security y'abirimbi ninga ebyokwerinda byaba bibi abashomesa nibaba batene bisinge bukuzo mu mashomero mu kirasi bakashomesa nabagira nti nangwa n'ubwakuba amakanisa n'imizigiti emyaka yenyemo bakabashabakeshereke naganda amakanisa gakaba gaki
gasha kwa Anita Atkunda.